And this is exactly why you need to check your design before completing a print order. I'm going to show you how double and triple checking can help avoid printing problems. My name is Shayna. I'm an HBCU-themed comic book author and graphic designer, and I create bootleg t-shirts inspired by my characters. When I picked up my DTFs, I noticed this weird white border around the design. I was confused because digitally it looked completely fine. But luckily, a Koosh at DTF Jersey was really helpful and explained exactly where I went wrong and how I can fix it moving forward. What I learned is that the grungy texture looks great digitally, but does not transfer well in DTF printing. Even after removing the background, the software will still pick it up as leftover image data. So I had to remove the texture. I changed my background to lime green so I can clearly separate the artwork, then export it as a PNG using the maximum quality and transparent background. Think of it like green screening for print prep. Then go to dtfjersey.com. Hover over DTF transfer and select DTF transfer by size. Then you upload your image, and once it's loaded, stop before clicking anything else to check your file carefully. If you notice any extra haze, empty space, or like a box around your image, click remove background and let the software clean it up. Next, check your DPI. Your file should be at least 300 DPI for strong print quality. If it isn't, click upscale so the system improves the resolution. Then move into sizing. If you're unsure what dimensions to use, Fit Check is really helpful because it previews your artwork on different types of apparel and shows recommended size ranges. Honestly, if I use Fit Check first, I probably would have caught that white border before ordering, but you live and you learn. For most full front shirt designs, my safe width is 10 inches. Once you enter the width, the site automatically adjusts the height so the design stays proportional. Also keep in mind, your measurements include any empty spaces around the artwork. Now, if you're someone who received a design and you're not familiar with dimensions, they also have an option where you can choose a shirt size and the system will automatically size the design for you. Just remember that feature works best for full front or full shirt designs. It doesn't apply to smaller placements like pockets, hats, or other limited print areas. Once everything looks right, choose your quantity and then add it to your cart. However, since I had already printed mine, I had to think fast. Instead of using a black shirt like I originally planned, I switched to a white shirt and it blended much better. The border turned into some sort of like soft shadow, which actually saved the design. What's a design mistake you've had to fix before printing? Let me know. Maybe we can save each other time and avoid stressing a Koosh out next time.